Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International online course of Montessori Diploma. Sensorial activity number 3, the third practical. Previously in practical 1 and 2, we told you about pink tower presentation, broad stairs presentation, and this time we are going to judge a child's ability. The child is actually the explorer and have constructive minds. How much constructive mind he has and how much destructive mind he has, let's check that. In front of us, we are having the pink towers blocks and the broad stairs blocks. Sometimes the directress show a child how to manage these stairs, these blocks in a particular manner, but most of the time she let the child do by herself, by himself. As we said that the Montessori is an environment which is not a teacher based environment, actually the child based environment, and we let a child do his own work activity by his own choice. Here how we have seen and judged and might be Dr. Maria Montessori. Little careless. Whoa! How we are creating this prism, a block tower. Might be this. Understanding of mind. Oh my God, it is going up and up, the huge, that makes a child happy. Wow, my tower is going up and up. Might be he is trying to keep this thinnest block, thinnest prism over there, dropped, but need to tell him in a proper manner how you can keep them easily, safely, and create your own geometrical shape. Sometimes it can be a house with the merging of both pink tower and the brown stairs. Oh, I'm gonna have my seesaw, this and this, and my blocks as a child. Whoa, the big one, the small one. I got my seesaw here. I have my house here. There is my stick for my flag. Whoop whoop, tuck tuck, sometimes as a drum. But the handling of any material in a proper manner is a directress duty. Not to be harmed, not to be neglected, not to be overwhelming, but in a proper manner. Sometimes just keeping the blocks in one form, like a train here. I got my train here. I want to make my house here. This is how I can create my house. Yes, this is how I can create my bricks house. So, the observation of bricks to make or construct a house is there. We are 3 here, let's do by ourselves. Oh, this is so big. All right. Oh, this one is again big. There is a little need to observe the child's constructive qualities through this particular activity. Thank you so much.